Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Miss Heron, and I am a student at Iowa State. Today we're going to learn about fractions. But first I have a couple questions for you. Have any of you eaten a whole pizza before? You have? Oh my goodness, that's a lot. Have you eaten just like half of the pizza sometimes? Maybe most times you just eat like a third of a pizza or a fourth of a pizza. Cool. So I bet you're thinking, Miss Heron, why? What do fractions have to do with pizza? Well, a whole, a half, and a fourth are all fractions of that pizza. Can you think of anything else that has fractions that you could divide into? Maybe like food-wise? Pie. Yeah, that's a good one.
Cookie.
Ooh, a cookie. That would make it really small. Okay. A fraction is a number that name parts of a whole. And so when you have a fraction, it has two numbers. And they're divided by a line in the middle. So you put one number over the line and one number under the line. Okay? So this number on top is called the numerator. The numerator tells how many pieces you're talking about. So if we're just talking about one piece of our pie, then we would put a 1 on top of it. On the bottom is the denominator. In the denominator, that's how many pieces the fraction is split up into. So if you have only 2 pieces of pie, then that is what the bottom number is. You want to make sure your pieces in your fraction are also the same amount. So we don't want to have unequal pieces because not everyone would get the same amount of pie, and you all want to be fair. So this would not be a fair fraction. Okay? So we'll start with this one. This is a whole. It's not divided into any pieces except for 1. So we would have a 1 on the bottom for the denominator, and we're just talking about one piece of this, so we'll put a 1 on top for the numerator. Then we have halves. Okay, so now we have 2 pieces that is split into equal parts. So we'll have a 2 on the bottom for the denominator. And then if we're just talking about one of these halves, then we put 1 on the top. Then we have thirds. Each time our pieces keep getting a little smaller. So we have 3 pieces. So our 3 goes on the bottom. And if we're just talking about 1, still we're having 1 on the top for the numerator.